Okay, here we go. Week 6 done. Day 17 for Introduction to Computers and Information Systems. Buying a laptop. We did a little peer review, unit completion, talked briefly about that, and then they finished group project. Alright. The skills based on word processing, pretty good. You need to look at my comments. Yeah, my comments. Okay? And if you have any questions, let me know. Let me know. Okay, so they were good. Again, what we do is we look at the basics, and then you can go from there. Next thing, we did a small review here of hardware details, processor, memory. I talked about local storage now. Could be a solid state drive. You should look up those terms. DVD, store things. So this is optical. This is magnetic storage, and this is like flash storage. All used nowadays. Like, for example, a lot of people said they had flash drives in class. Little device you can plug in the USB port. Alright. Local storage, and then via the internet. I mentioned this the other day. You could store things at Google, Dropbox, iCloud, and there are lots of options, and some of the storage is free up to a certain amount. I know Dropbox that way. And then if you want more storage, you can pay for it. The advantage, okay, of course, you know, you got security issues to think about, but they store it and they back it up. So if you trust them, you have the information. Time. Okay. At the beginning of class, we talked about Movie Pass. This was NPR. So you could look it up on NPR Movie Pass. It was a couple days ago. They said the prices have dropped tremendously. So what does that mean? First of all, you can get a monthly subscription. They talked about it. AMC movie theaters. Not really excited about this, but let's just talk about it. You sign up, you get something like a debit card, then you get a pass on your phone that lists all the movies. You go into the theater, you go to a kiosk, and you can get a ticket. You swipe your card, and you pay for it. Like, they give an example. A movie they were going to was $16.29. They swiped the card. They paid $9.95 once they swiped their card. Movie Pass pays the difference. So the movie theater still gets their money for the ticket. But now you can, here's an advantage, it's this much once a month, and every 24 hours you can go to another movie. So you literally pay $10 for the whole month. And Movie Pass makes up the difference, okay, so selling more tickets and so forth. People are going to movies, a little more they're finding than otherwise. How does the company make money? Okay, how would they make money? Part of these companies, they mentioned something about being bought out by data analytics. The ticket becomes a data point. When you use this app, it's keeping track of everything you do in terms of movies, okay? And now they can gather that data for all kinds of movie theaters all over, I suppose, eventually the world. This could become valuable in terms of financial. Yeah, who would think? You know, I talked to my wife about it. She said it's crazy, but people are doing it, and we are unit completion time. Okay? Unit 3 done. You need to finish all things up for the Unit 3 completion. Go to the module, make sure they're all taken care of, and we start working in Unit 4, and that unit for the next 2 weeks will take us up to midterm. And that's it. Thanks for listening.